Now, steel structures obviously are composed of assemblies, and an assembly, as you know, is when things are welded together or shop bolted together. And it's very easy to find out what an assembly contains. So, for example, if I were to select this member and right click, and then if I say select assembly, it's going to select the entire assembly over there, which is welded together in this case. And then I can right click and say show only selected, and now I can inspect that assembly as it would go to the site. So this is a very easy way to select your assemblies. You can right click and say show all again. Now with the same logic you can continue. So if I were to select this one, for example, say select assembly, as you can see that I'm still inside the command. So I can continue selecting other assemblies. So I can go on that, select something else. Whatever I select, whatever the assembly of that part is, the entire assembly is going to be selected. And what I can also do is once I've selected something, I can press the control key and select multiple assemblies at the same time. And then I can do right click and say show only. And then I will be looking at those multiple assemblies like that. So it's a very easy and convenient way to select and unselect or add to selection assemblies inside COMOSYS.